What's up, guys? So we are in Laramie, Wyoming, and we are stopping at 12:51 today because high winds have shut I-80 down. So we are super light. I think we're only like 10,000 pounds or something like that. And we were coming up the mountains just before Laramie, and a semi-truck right ahead of us, who had just passed us actually, flipped over on his side. I have a little bit of video after he got pulled out from the highway because he was blocking both lanes of traffic and both shoulders, so nobody could get around him. So we were stopped there for probably half an hour to an hour, and the wind was actually so bad. I now have seasickness, motion sickness, because the truck was bouncing around so much. So yeah, and now we're stopped because the winds have shut the road down, because apparently past Laramie, right now we have 60 mile an hour winds. Past Laramie it goes up to 90 mile an hour winds. So at 90 miles an hour this truck will be on its side, and I'm not about to chance that. The other problem is, after the winds, there is a snowstorm coming tonight. And after this snowstorm, there's another snowstorm that's hitting the Sierra Mountains that we have to cross because we are going to California. We have to go Bismarck, California, and then there's a stop in Nevada. And then there are like 5 or 6 more stops after that between Sacramento and San Francisco. So we have to get through this windstorm and then 2 more snowstorms before we are finally done with this. So yeah, I'm going to take Sienna out so she can go to the bathroom now and walk around, because I need to settle my stomach before I can eat anything for dinner. So that, guys, that has been my life so far. Thank you for watching. Definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. Hit the little bell if you really want to keep track of me, because I do upload kind of infrequently, so that would help you keep track of when I do actually upload videos. And then comment down below, have you guys ever driven through windstorms and high speeds, or like snowstorms through the Rockies? Because that's what I'm not looking forward to. I'm not looking forward to having to chain up to get over some of these mountains. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye!